Hi guys, welcome back to Rashtri's stream. So I hope you guys are doing well and are safe at your home. So for those of you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Nidhi and I make videos related to beauty, skincare, personality development, self-development, planning and productivity related videos. So if all these things are your vibe, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification icon so that whenever I'll post a video, you guys will get notified. And with that being said, let's just directly move on to the video.
Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk to you all about how to set a positive mindset slash how to live a positive life. Both are the same, both is equally proportional to each other. So I'm just going to talk to you all about all these things. So if you all are interested in knowing that how we can set a positive mindset, then please continue watching. Okay, so the very first point is look for the good in every situation. In every bad situation, there is something good hidden in it, but we don't see it. And it's just because we kept on focusing on the problem, और हम लोग उस problem से बस bad things को ही देखते हैं, and we started complaining about it instead of finding the solution of that problem. Because हम लोग को complain करना ज़्यादा आसान लगता है to solve that problem. And guys, this is actually true. ये होता है. So we just have to focus on the solution rather than focusing more on the problem, and you just ask some questions to yourself like what I can learn from the situation, what are the benefits that I can get from the situation that's happening around me. Just ask these type of questions to yourself, and trust me, when you will get the answer of all these questions, you will get the solution of your problem as well. Start doing that, practice this, and trust me guys, it will worth of it. The next point is worry less and live more. Start focusing on present. Don't worry about your past. Don't regret the things that you have done in your past. Also don't think about your future. क्या होने वाला future में उसके बारे में टेंशन मत करो. Start living in now. Because when you think about the past, when you think about the future, you are just wasting your time. आप ना ही अपने पास्ट में कोई की गई गलती से कुछ सीखे हो और ना ही अपने फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ करे. अब बस उसके बारे में सोच रहे हो और सोचने से कुछ नहीं होता. We have to work for it as well. Live in the present, work for it, and don't waste the time that we had given by the universe. So utilize all these times and make your future bright. Okay, so the point number 3 is know that you are unique and you can. So positive people value themselves and their abilities. They know that they are unique and they can achieve everything that they want in their life. So and all these things are a part of a self-love. When you start loving yourself, you start trusting yourself, you start valuing yourself, and when you start trusting yourself, then you will get to know that there is literally nothing in this universe that you can't do. You can do everything and anything that you want. So you just have to believe in yourself that you can do anything, and that's all. Okay, so point number 4 is no matter what, everything will be fine. And guys, it always will. And you just have to trust the process. You just have to believe that everything happened for a reason, and that's how universe are meant to be. That's how universe are designed to be, and that's how it all are supposed to be. Okay, you just have to trust in your life. You just have to know कि अगर कुछ हो रहा है तो कुछ अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. Everything is designed in this universe to teach you and let you grow. Okay, just have to trust the life, and that's all. And number 5 is appreciate every little things in your life. Positive people have an eye on every little things that brings joy on their face, like a smile from stranger, a smile from that cute kid, or your morning coffee. So there are so many amazing things in our life. We just have to see it and appreciate the beauty of our life instead of focusing on all those bad aspects of our life, or instead of focusing on all those bad or negative situation in our life. Start appreciating that what you have, and start appreciating for all those little things that bring smile on your face. Point number 6 is practice gratitude. Be happy for what you have instead of complaining or instead of wanting for more. Look at all the beautiful things that God has gifted you. और बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनके पास जो हमारे पास है वो भी नहीं होता. You should be thankful that you have roof on your top. You should be thankful for all those people that you are surrounded by. You should be thankful that you have parents with you. You should be thankful that you are getting food. There are so many people, literally so many people, and you guys know कि जो हमारे पास उनके पास वो भी नहीं होता. There are so many kids right now, they don't have facility to study, they don't have facility for food, they don't have facility for such good house. So you just have to be thankful, gratitude it, and then strive for more. Guys, believe me, gratitude is the key. So always be thankful for what you have. You have to pray the God and thank them कि you have been blessed with so many things. You have been blessed with good parents. You have been blessed for all those good friends who are surrounded all your side. And just practice gratitude and then strive for more. Number 7 is everything is possible and life is very 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 easy. So start believing in life is easy instead of making it complicated in every possible ways. And when things start getting complicated तो हमारे सर पे बर्डन बन जाता है और फिर हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाते हैं उसके लिए. और हम लोग उसके बारे में ही सोचते रहते हैं कि अरे ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड है. एंड ड्यू टू विच हम लोग उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं बस सोचने में और हम लोग उस पर काम भी नहीं करते. ओके, so just think that this is easy task and we can do it, and trust me, you will do it. You can do it. There is literally nothing in this universe that you can't do it. You just have to believe that this is made for you and this is a very easy thing and you will do it, and you will do it. Okay, and the point number 9 is positive language. So for the positive mindset, it is really important to have a positive language, especially when you are talking to yourself. You're talking to yourself, it is really important to watch your words. Erase all those negative words from your vocabulary. Stop saying words like can't, don't, no. ये सब बोलो ही मत. No matter what, look for the most positive thoughts you can have in every situation of life. So please don't say words like I'm not good enough, and instead of say like it is little bit hard for me but I can master it. So I'm not good enough is a negative word, and उसी चीज़ को आप थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव वे में फ्रेम करके बोल रहे हो तो एंड यू नो व्हाट, ये ऐसे छोटे छोटे चीज़ें ही बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट देती है इन अ लाइफ. सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑल दोज टाइप ऑफ फ्रेजेस. ओके, सो पॉइंट नंबर 9 इज फोकस ऑन सॉल्यूशन rather than focusing on problem. Because guys, when you are experiencing a problem, don't let that problem swallow you. Okay, it seems to be very much easier कि उस प्रॉब्लम को लेकर के हम लोग अपने फ्रेंड से घंटों बातें करते हैं, यार मेरे को तो ये प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, और उसके लिए हम लोग बहुत देर तक अपने फ्रेंड से बात करते रहते हैं उसके बारे में, या फिर हम लोग उस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं, बट एक्चुअली वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर द सॉल्यूशन. So instead of complaining about it, instead of wasting your time in complaining or thinking about it, start thinking about its solution. Because जब आप उससे बात करते हो सकता है वो प्रॉब्लम और ज़्यादा बड़ी हो जाए, या फिर you are not doing anything for the solution. So start thinking about the solution instead of complaining about it. Okay, start thinking or start acknowledging about the solution, and when you get the solution, immediately start working for it. So the sooner you will start looking for the solution, the earlier you will get the solution and you will solve the problem. So okay, so the very last point is mind your own business. Yes guys, we should mind our own business. हम लोग बहुत बार लोगों को बोलते हैं that mind your own business, but did we mind our own business? No. हम लोग हमेशा खुद को दूसरे से कंपेयर करते रहते हैं. हम लोग हमेशा उस चीज़ पे फोकस करते हैं जो जिस पे हमको करना भी नहीं चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम लोग हमेशा दूसरों के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं कि अरे यार अगर मैं ये कर रही हूँ तो वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा. स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, वो क्या सोचेगा, दैट विल नॉट लेट यू टू पॉजिटिविटी, दैट विल नॉट लेट मेक योर लाइफ पॉजिटिव, दैट विल नॉट मेक यू हैप्पी. वो खुद के लिए कर रहा है, वो आपके लिए वो सोच के वो खुद को खुश कर रहा है, आपको उससे कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा. ओके, so stop caring about what people will think of you, because the thoughts of other people are not designed to make your life happy, to make your life positive. Okay, your own thought will make your life positive and will make your life happy. So focus on yourself, mind your own business, और आप बस खुद पे फोकस करो. and you just work for yourself. Don't work for anyone else. Don't work कि अगर मैं ये करूँगी तो उसको अच्छा लगेगा. Please don't. Do if you like it, don't if you don't like it, okay? And another thing is, don't compare yourself to the other people. There are people who are better than you, there are people who are worse than you, and when you make it as an assumption, you are free from any jealousy, any comparisons. आप उससे free हो जाते हो. एंड वी ऑल आर यूनिक इन आर ओन वे. कोई आपके जैसा नहीं हो सकता. अगर कोई आपके जैसा होना भी चाहेगा तो आपको गुस्सा आता है ना कि अरे ये मेरा कॉपी क्यों कर रहा है. और जब आप किसी को खुद से कंपेयर करते हो ना तो आप ना कहीं उसकी कॉपी करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर जस्ट वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम for caring about what people are thinking about you or comparing yourself to the other people, okay? So don't do that. Focus on yourself, focus on your own business. And when you start thinking about all these points that I have shared you in this video, no one can stop you to be a positive person. No one can stop you to have a positive mindset, guys. So yeah, that was all from my side, and the news which I was about to tell to you all is I'm starting another YouTube channel, and which will be all about study related. I will share my study tips, my study session, study with me live session, study vlog. ये सब मैं बस पढ़ाई से related होने वाला है. So yeah, I'm starting another YouTube channel. So तो मैं आपको बता दूंगी जब मैं start करूँगी तो. And अभी तो मैंने बस ये सोचा है. So yeah. And yep, that was all from my side. I hope you guys liked it, and if you really did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit that bell notification icon or follow me on my Instagram. And that's all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy, and stay positive.